Welcome to madecv.com. What is your name and nationality?
Yes, I'm a Filipina. I'm Emily Lumokso, a Filipina, and I'm 39 years old.
Okay. Are you single or married?
I'm separated, married, and then we separated for 6 years.
Okay. Do you have children?
Yes, I have two children.
Where are they now?
They are with my mother in Philippines.
In Philippines. So when would you be able to start working?
As soon as possible, I am available anytime.
You're available anytime. Do you have relatives here in UAE?
Yes, I have my cousin.
Your cousin. Okay. What position are you applying for?
For a caregiver, care for
An elderly. You're applying for a caregiver job. Adult
yeah.
care. Okay. So please describe your last job. What was your last job?
My last job is taking care of an old woman there in Kuwait, and is 87 years old.
Okay.
And then I take care of her food. Sometimes from the kitchen, we have our own kitchen there, and during the night only I make her dinner. But in the afternoon lunch, it is from the cook in the kitchen.
How old was the patient?
Actually, she is only 87 years old, and she was able to make her own bath, to take a bath alone, and then I just supervise her if she's fine or wearing a good dress, just like that.
Okay. So what did you like most about your last job and why?
I like most the behavior of my madam because she's very kind and she's a giver like that.
Okay, so you like your madam because she's very kind and generous to you.
Yeah, she's generous.
Okay, so what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
I'm answering also.
Are you going to let him in?
Some messages.
Are you going to let him in or you're going to ask your employer first? Your call. You're going to call your employer first.
I call my employer.
Okay.
I'm answering the phone and then I call my employer regarding who's calling, and it's only her daughter and son calls.
Okay. So you will confirm with your employer. Okay. So how do you clean the bedroom or the room of your patient?
First, after she wake up, I make her bed, and then I change her bed with 1 week. I change her bed sheet, and then after that, every day it is vacuum her room and then clean the CR. Clean the window only 2 weeks like that.
Okay, so you said you cook for the patient. What kind of foods you can cook?
Well, I will cook for her in the night. Just a simple food, only vegetables.
Okay.
Vegetable.
Okay. Okay, so describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you? Describe yourself. Why should they hire you?
I'm a kind of person that is energetic, optimistic, and willing to be trained all the time. If there's some new to me, I am willing to be trained.
Energetic, optimistic, and open to? And an open-minded person.
Open-minded.
Okay. Open-minded person. Okay, so please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from maidtv.com. Thank you.